Hey you guys, I am back with another video, and today we are doing another DIY. Today we're going to be making some homemade scrub, you guys. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you stick around so that you can get all the goods. All right, you guys, so I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can make your own handmade scrubs using the ingredients that you have in your kitchen. So we're going to be using extra virgin olive oil. That's going to be to soothe your skin. I took out brown sugar because you may want to use brown sugar, and then some may want to use white. But for this video, I'm going to use the white, and because I don't have any essential oils on hand, I'm going to be using my favorite perfume so that it can have a little scent to it. So stick around. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your sugar and you're going to start putting your olive oil inside of it, and you get it to the liking that you like. I like to be oily, so, and then you just straighten it up in there. Make sure you get all your sugar greasy. I did, you guys, a salt scrub, but boy, I'm telling you, if you got any cuts or knacks on you, it is gonna burn. Jesus, it's gonna burn. But this way, it's sugar. It's not gonna burn you or anything like that. And you can eat this. It's healthy for you, so it's not gonna hurt your skin or anything like that. And this is pretty much, you got the base of it done. This is what homemade sugar scrub looks like. And you just keep stirring until you get it to your liking. And now what I'm going to do is take my perfume and I'm going to spray a little bit. Perfume of all time, and you keep stirring that. Oh, it smells so good in here, you guys. And this is your sugar scrub. It almost looked like some grits. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you've ever made your own handmade sugar scrub. And next, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to so you guys can see it. I'm going to put this in this little jar so it'll be kind of cute. So it do look like some great stuff for real. So that is how you do it, and I'm going to be right back once I fill the jar back up. All right, you guys, so I got it in the little container that I bought. And now we can put the top on it. Again, you can get these, you guys, from you can get these little jars from your local Michael's for like 99 cents. But there you have it, you guys. You have your own DIY body scrub, sugar shea scrub. So that is that, you guys. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up to let me know if you like these types of video and you want me to do more DIYs. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you hold on, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, give me a big like, comment below and let me know if you decide to try this scrub. Let me know how you like it. Share this with your peeps. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you won't miss another episode. I upload new content, new videos every week, so stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video. Remember, you are absolutely enough, and everything that you need is already on the inside of you. So God bless, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.